All right, let's try VulnNet. This is the very first one, VulnNet. It does say we have to add the machine IP to our Etsy host, so I'm wondering if we're going to have to be doing something with... let's go and delete all these guys first. Wonder if we're going to have to be doing something with vhost or something like that. VulnNet.thm, I believe it was. Yep, okay, so let's go ahead and do a mmap on them first. Let's go ahead and start it off here. And we do see a port 22 and a port 80. Go and check out that port 80. And we'll also do an mmap on that port 80. And we'll also do a Go Buster or Fearox Buster, or whatever you want to call it, on port 80. See what that's all about. And we'll, I guess, try vhost also, since we had to add them in. So let's go ahead and do a Go Buster vhost. Attack U will be that. HTTP. And it's going to be VulnNet.thm. Right. Attack W, user share word list. We'll just go with big.txt. We'll see if we find anything in there. Image, JS, fonts. Nothing really too much yet, but it is finding some type of vhost, so that's good. Found a little something. And he's not going to be able to do it while this guy's up and running. If we don't see too much up here, I'm thinking vhost. Let's go into JavaScript first. See what this guy's all about, like right here. If he wants to load, we do have this VulnNet active. Let's go and control U this guy. If he feels like loading also. We got for get started. Get started actually works. Log in, log. Oh, excuse me. Look for the JavaScript because we have that JS there. And we have two script sources down here that are actually kind of confusing. That's not regular. Yeah, that's not regular at all, whatever those two are. Login is not found. Okay. Wonder if we can find, if we control F, we look for VulnNet. Okay, so yeah, we can. Alright, cool. So, yeah, it's calling for broadcast.vulnnet.thm. So that might be a vhost like right there. Still just want to run a GoBuster vhost on him, but he's calling for broadcast.vulnnet.thm. What if I have to actually do a VulnNet up here? See if we do something with that. But I think we should probably add a broadcast in there. I'm thinking. And Etsy host. Let's go into a sudo nano Etsy host. Let's throw in broadcast. Broadcast.vulnnet.thm. Okay. So we got that. Let's go ahead and head over to that site. See if we got anything in there. Broadcast.vulnnet.thm, right? Yes, take me to the regular one. We'll see what this guy's all about. We got a vhost now. I haven't had one of those in a while, I feel like. A vhost. There's those two JavaScript files that looked weird to us. Sorry. Okay, so we got a login. Admin. Nope, that didn't work. Okay. So we found broadcast. We have a login. The only thing we have up so far is port 22 and 80, and that's it. So now we need to figure out. We have image, fonts, JavaScript. Now we need to kind of start looking and see if we can find a username. Or something. We need to find something in here. All right, we need to find a username or something like that. It did say the site was built on PHP in the beginning of it, right? So let's do like attack X Let's do PHP. See if we find anything with that. Oh, I did vhost, didn't I? Let's see if we find any more vhosts first off. And let's also do a Ferox Buster TAC-X PHP. See if we can find anything with PHP in it. These are all coming back as 400s. 3 files. This is weird. It's very, 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 very strange. It's finding everything. It's all 424. Let's go ahead and do a fuff on that. Attack you. We're going to do a HTTP fuzz.vulnnet.thm, right? Do attack W, user share, wordless, derby, and then we'll do big.text. We'll see what it's actually finding here. Oh, it's not dropping a whole bunch of stuff. Thought we were going to have to use FW or FL or some of that. Let's go ahead and try that guy. I don't know if I should do this Ferox Buster with that. We'll try it. But I feel like I might break it. We have an index.php. Okay. Let's go and check that out. VulnNet.thm/index.php. You might not be able to get there with, I mean, this thing's slamming it. This guy's slamming it. So we found that in broadcast so far. So we're finding stuff. So that's good. This guy's all saying he's going to take 15 minutes. But we found index.php, which we did not find before. He's trying to go to that, like right there. I want that site. Wonder if we should fuck that index.php. I'm also wondering, so there's 2 JavaScript files, right? Let's check out that second one and see if we can't get anything with that. So there's 2 different files. We found broadcast in one of them, so I wonder if we can find a second one. Or if we should fuck that index.php and see if there's any type of command injection or LFI or anything like that within the index.php. Because right now we're still only looking at port 80 and port 22 so far, right? Port 22 and 80. We found index.php. These guys don't really seem to be finding anything else for PHP stuff, huh? Except for that index.php. Let's go and check out this file, like right here. I forget which one we checked out before, so let's open up both of them. And we'll search for VulnNet. VulnNet, HTTP, vulnnet.thm, index.php, question mark, refer equals. Okay. Try something like that. Okay, refer equals ID. Can we do something like that? Is it going to show us anything? No, it's not command injection. What about L5? Let's see password. Did that show us anything? It's not looking like it, huh? So we definitely have refer equals. So we definitely have something there. And I don't know what to do with it yet. We already have him. We have vulnnet.thm in our stuff. He's obviously opened up the site. We have a refer equals. Etsy password didn't work. What's the Etsy password? After this, we'll fuzz it after this. See if we get anything back. / Etsy password. Do we get anything? It's not looking like we're getting anything, huh? We get anything in the source code? We are. Oh shit. Okay. We are getting stuff back. It's gonna be. It's in the source code. All right. Cool. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Salmon Craw. Salmon Craw, how you doing? So we are getting stuff back. It's in the source code here. So let's see here. Is anyone bin bash? Server management is bin bash. So we think there's someone named server management on here. So we could always start a Hydra against that. We could also look and see if maybe we have a /home server management .ssh/idrsa. Nothing. Okay, so it's not gonna be that easy of a win. All right. We had broadcast, right? So I'm wondering if we can do look at the Apache site. Right? So I wonder if we can look at that like real quick. So let's look at the apache2.ht password site. Right? So it would be Etsy. I think it's that. Is that what it is? Let me see here. Let's try to locate .ht password, I believe it is. HT password like that. I feel like that's a thing. It's on the Apache site. Do I mean Apache? Mine's in varlib. I feel like it's an Etsy password for some reason. Etsy Apache 2 / apache2.com. That might be it. But I swear there's like an HT password site. That's something that you can look at. Let's try to fuzz it. How about that? I think we found our way in. Let's try to fuzz it. So we'll do a... Let's grab this. How'd it go? Over here. Let's grab all of this, like right here, right? And we will do fuff, bam. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Control-Shift-V. And we're going to want to get rid of FW200. Hey, thanks a lot, Darian. So we're going to use wordlist /seclist. And they should have an LFI in here. I believe they have a fuzzing. And they should have LFI. And we got a path to test. Oh, I want to fuzz like right here. Cat, it's user share word list, sec list. It's not finding anything because it's not showing back up in our stuff, is it? Let's see. Sec list, fuzzing, LFI, right? And we'll do path to test. Let's see what this actually does. So it's looking for Apache 2 logs error. We should have found something like that, at least. We should have found some of these guys in there. I feel like. Let's go and see if Etsy Shadow's in here. Etsy Shadow is in here. So it should have at least, or Etsy password, I mean. So it should have at least found Etsy password. And it did not find that. Maybe because I got to do HTTP and everything. Maybe that's why, because probably can't even find that site. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're getting some stuff back. Alright, so we want to do anything that is the size 5829, I would say. Because it looks like we're getting a lot of that. So word 1689. Anything that's 1689 we don't want to see. Okay, so we have this. I might have gotten rid of a little bit too much there. Because you can probably see everything in there. I swear there's one that's called... Let's go and cat him again. We'll do Apache 2. It's Etsy /Apache 2. Let's see what he's looking for. Yeah, HTTP.com. Okay. So I guess I'm not losing my mind here. Huh. How do I get the recommendations to show in the terminal? That's yeah, that's part of Terminator. I never even actually did anything with ZSH, I don't think. I think the newest Kali came with that. And then I just downloaded Terminator, and that was just one of the things you start doing. So, I'm pretty sure that we can view web configurations. On view web configs, Apache 2. Well, where's it stored at? Let's try the big one. How about that? Let's go to big. Now if I path to test, there's a big one also, wasn't there? Path to test huge. Let's grab for Etsy Apache 2. Okay, now we're getting bigger here. It's none of those. I mean, we could try that, but I'm pretty positive it's none of those, like right there. Let's go ahead and hop back over into here. We'll try this again. Exit out of these two guys. Exit out of him. And let's go ahead and throw that at it. Yeah, nothing in there. I could have swore that there was a place that you can view the configuration files. Sites enabled. That's the Apache 2 sites enabled. I think I actually need to call for the file though, don't I? I don't know what the hell. Sites enabled. Let's try just to go to sites enabled, I guess. I don't think that's going to work though. Nothing. I wonder if there's anything in here for sites enabled. Nope. Didn't think so. Sites enabled. Nope, didn't think so. Okay. Nothing in those two guys. Okay. There's definitely a sites enabled, and then that's some ugly ass type writing, like right there, huh? There you go. 000 default. So it'd be 000 default.conf, I would think, right? So you throw that whole thing in there, 000.default / default.conf, I would think. Let's go and look at that. / default.conf. Okay, there we go. All right, let me go ahead and actually get my LFI thing going on over here. And here, so I'll say LFI. Where's my web attacks? Right there. LFI. Apache site enabled. We got error.log. Alright, so we got this like right here, right? Server admin, webmaster at localhost. Don't care. Document var www.html. Apache, order, allow, deny, allow from all, okay? Authentication type is basic. Authentication user file is at HT password. Okay, that HT password. That's what I was thinking of. I knew there was an HT password in there. That was fucking beautiful, like right there. That's how I just copy and pasted. Password file such as .ht password. Go ahead and show what it showed. I'm going to copy that guy, copy him, throw him in my notes, just like that. So we're looking at Etsy Apache 2 / HT password. I knew that was a thing. Apache 2 .ht password. We should see his password, and we do. All right, cool. So now all we got to do is crack that. So we got developers. I didn't see developers in Etsy password. Did you guys? Oh, you know why? He probably logs into the actual developer site, huh? That's why, because we have the HT password, because we're getting into the other site now, aren't we? So let's do a nano hash.text. And let's go ahead and do John on hash.text. And he did find broadcast in the vhost also. Let's see if John the Ripper can crack this guy. Sure hope so. I think that's an MD5 hash, but okay. John the Ripper, he's taking a minute on this one, huh? He's trying. He's trying his best. That's one I want to look at. John crack him yet? Nothing yet, huh? Wow. This is the longest I've ever seen him wait. Let's try with a fork equals 4. Well, I should probably put a wordless in there, huh? Should probably do more than just say, go figure it out, John. There we go. All right. Go figure it out, John. You'll figure it out, you know? Let's exit out of here. Let's try to log into that broadcast site then with that. We know that he's not part of the Etsy password, so we know he's not SSHing in anytime soon. Let's do a developers, or what was it called again? Development. I think it was development. Broadcast. I don't know where I came up with development from. And our username is developers with a password of that. And let's go ahead and also do a sudo nano, or a nano, or just echo developers into user pass dot text. Okay. Clip bucket. All right. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything but for clip bucket. Never heard of it. Search exploit clip bucket. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff. I don't even know which version it is. Got an SQL injection, file upload, remote code execution. Let's go ahead and see what version it is if we can figure that out. Developers. Anything that was password, or does that say clip bucket? No, that was password. Clip bucket version 4.0. Okay, so we're on version 4.0. So, and it looked like we have a command injection file upload SQL injection. Okay, let's go ahead and cat that. Or search exploit, attack M. And let's go ahead and cat that 4.4. See what this is all about. Okay, let's see here. Looks like he's trying to change. Looks like he's uploading a PHP, but he called it file.jpg. Okay, no, he's saying the file name is a PHP, like right there. We just upload a PHP and not put in that much work for it, like a reverse shell PHP. Can we upload anything first off? Add new collection. Didn't work out at all for me. If we got anything. Exploit DB has stuff. Metasploit looked like it has something also. Command injection. That's what we were just looking at. We were on searchpoint, obviously. Without having to authenticate and attacker can exploit this vulnerability by manipulating the file name parameter during the file upload in the script API file uploader.php. See if that actually exists. So without having to sign up. So no file was selected. Okay, so that's good. So we can do that, it looks like. Let's go ahead and try that, like right there. I don't know if we actually even need any of this stuff. I don't know if we actually need those files. Let's just go ahead and try that guy. And do it like that. We'll just throw a command here. Let's do ID for now. And I don't know if it's actually come back down to us or not. And we have broadcast, right? .VulnNet .thm. I feel like there should be a space in here though. Failed to open read local data from file application. Okay, so we do actually need to make a from file / application. I wonder if it needs to be the file data or the file name. Let's go ahead and do an ls-la and let's just throw something in there which you have. So let's call it hash.text. Okay, so we probably need a password because we have to actually log in before we actually even get there, right? So we probably need a password for that. I don't know where the heck the site even went. What the heck? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Because we most likely, we need probably something to do with cookies maybe. We need to put some cookies in there, but I don't know how to do cookies with curl. Not very good with curl. So we got PHP session ID. Oh, man. I wonder if we need something with cookies and actually do like a PHP session ID, or if we can literally just upload a reverse shell. I was trying to figure out where to upload it at. Let's go ahead and just keep clicking around here. Let's see if we can just upload a reverse shell. Channels, collections, photos. Can I create a new account, or is it actually going to have me go to a real page? Nope, that's still there. Username, we'll say test at test.com. Password, we'll say test. Password is weak. Don't care. Sure, why not? Yep, I agree. Sign up. Don't save. Please select your category. What do you mean? BGC, yeah, why not? I don't care. Go for it. Let's go ahead and make a longer password of admin. Admin1. Test. Boom. Sign up. Don't save. Test and admin1. That's what we made it. Please select your category. What fucking category? I don't understand the question. Yeah, that one. See if that works. Okay, I have no idea what the hell it's trying to tell me, like right here. I just want to upload a damn file. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to that. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on with arbitrary file upload. Let's go and try this. Let's go ahead, we'll cd into tools. Let's go ahead and cat the PHP reverse shell, or shell.php. And we should have 10.13.26.184 on port 4444. File should be shell.php, right? That's all I think. Name, any name.php, don't care. And we'll do, what's it called again? It's called broadcast.vulnnet.thm. I don't know if it's all automatically run it or what. Your browsers now understand how to supply. Okay, so we have to do something with, we have to add in a username and password, right? So let's go ahead and look up curl. Oh, well that works too. Never mind. Oh no, that's enterprise security is still up and running. I was like, oh okay. I should have actually just done that one like real quick. Oh, I just made the video on that. It finally got the call back. That was literally like an hour ago that I made the video on that. And it finally got the call back. What is wrong with this thing? So I should have just done it like real quick. Upload both these videos at the same time. And hey, if you want to see the print spoofer, go ahead and watch VulnNet. We're just going to randomly do it. Alright, so with curl, to put in a curl tech help, to put in a username and password. Let's say grep for user name. Thinking user. Alright, so it goes tac u, user, and then password. Okay, cool. Tac u, the username, who, if we go to cat, user pass.text. So we need that, like right there pretty much. This exact thing. Boom. Okay, let's go ahead and do it and see. We may actually want to change out that file now, that shell file. Shell.php, like right there. So let's go ahead and do a nano shell.php. Because I already have something running on 4444 for a video that I just did. So let's do 1111. So let's do an nc lvmp 1111. We'll listen on there. And we'll try to upload this guy now. Creating file, boom, boom, code with the failed to move uploaded file. ID. What? Maybe I need to do this guy. Put them in quotes. Okay, failed to move uploaded file. Why? Do I have to... Do I need this hackf name equals any name.php? Do I need that? Yep. Go ahead and delete that. Go ahead and we'll delete this. Still failed to upload the file. Why did it fail to upload the file? HTTP broadcast.vulnnet.thm, right? Broadcast.vulnnet.thm. Action beats uploader. I wonder if it's beats uploader. I wonder what it's actually called. That upload page, like right there. What is beats uploader? Photos. A really ugly like website design, huh? Let's go ahead and try to look that even up and see if that even exists. Because what is actions? Let's go to actions first. /actions. Let's try to go there. Now I'm wondering if this beats uploader even freaking exists. /actions. Okay, cool. Yeah, beat uploader.php. We got that. File uploader, photo uploader. Why won't it go to beats uploader? BEATS, right? Beats uploader.php. Let's try photo. Photo uploader, because I saw that actual site. Nope, failed to move uploaded file. File is shell.php, which is in tools. We have the username and password. We have where to go. Okay. Now I'm getting a little bit confused. Nothing with that. Okay. So we got the curl. We got everything. As far as I know, we have everything correct. We didn't name last time, right? Yeah, name. Let's just do shell.php, I guess. That is very, 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 very strange. Pretty sure we have the username and password correct, because that's how it said to do it. But it is saying that, it looks like it's wrong. That's what it's saying. Maybe I have to do file at. Remember the first one had the @ sign? There we go. Let's go. All right, cool. So we got that file at there. So it's in CB beats upload dir. All right, cool. So we got that. Hey, thanks for the follow, Extreme Wolf. See, once I got that uploaded, then he followed. He's like, okay, now he's good. No. All right, let's see here. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Telefonica. All right, so we uploaded that now, right? It looks like the file name is this, though. It looks like the file name's way off from what we said it was going to be. But let's go into that Beats uploader now. I don't know where that's actually going, that Beats uploader. Like, where do you go after that? Beats uploader /php /shell.php? Can I do that? No. Okay, well, how do I actually get to that file now? Does it actually tell me in here? Like we went to Beats Uploader, right? This one's Photo Uploader. That'll probably actually be a lot easier to get to. Let's go ahead and also upload it into Photo Uploader because we know we have a photos here, right? We got that photos thing like right here. So this one would probably be a lot easier to get to. So let's go ahead and upload it into Photos. Was it Photo or Photos? Let's try both. Photos. Upload.php. Okay, so it's Photo. Photo uploader.php. Okay, that was successful. I wonder if that's the file name. Or I wonder, it's probably just shell.php, I don't think. So I think now we should just go to Photos, right? I went to 2022-07-13. That was the file directory for it. Okay, let's go ahead and do a Dirtbuster. Can you put username and password in Dirtbuster? Advanced options, authentication. There we go. Use HTTP authentication. Username is going to be, I don't remember. Let's go ahead and do a cat user path.text. Developers. It's going to be the username. Let's go ahead and try to figure out where the hell this file went to. This guy's the password. I feel like it's still going to be a PHP file. I mean, there was the basic authentication. So let's do HTTP broadcast VulnNet. Let's go like right there and see what we get. See if we get anything. Go faster. And we'll do user share word list dir b big.text. And yeah, we're looking for a file extension of PHP. Go ahead and, well, let's get rid of that actually. Use blank extension. Because we don't know if it's actually going to be a PHP immediately or what we're actually looking for here. Okay, so we got /styles. A lot of stuff is /styles. JS again. Styles. Icon. Styles. JS. Look for like an upload or like something that goes along with what we did there. I'm also looking for this 2022. Go ahead, while that's run, let's go ahead and go back to the site, see if we can figure out where this file is actually uploading to. Photos.php. Okay. How's it at? Where'd it go? Oh, up there. Okay. This page photos. 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 Photos, photo mode. Not see anything in there. JavaScript photos. I'm trying to figure out where the hell this guy went. Okay, so let's. Where did you go? This is going to be the hardest part. Where did you end up at? Go and check out that Dirtbuster again. Styles, icons, styles, 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 styles. admin area. This would be way nicer if I could actually. What we got here? Go there like that or something. Videos.php. Okay, let's try to look up actions file uploader. I have no idea. I don't know where it's actually going now. So to be able to grab it, we obviously need to figure out where the hell it went. So let's try to look up a clip bucket reverse shell. Yep, that's Beats uploader, but where do you go? PHP reverse shell, target URI. Base path, okay. Normalize URI, send request. Actions, beat upload.php, could not find, okay, whatever. Form data name equals file, pfile.php, uploading payload. Post data, success. File directory, file name, extension, file payload. And the parent directory slash file name slash that. URI actions parent directory. What's the parent directory though? P name, probably whatever I give it, but I don't know where the hell the file is actually going. That's annoying. That's really annoying. There we go, clip bucket. I guess if we can't find it, we'll just throw Metasploit at it, but I would like to figure out where is this file going? Temp upload images. This guy is going to temp upload images. That's not it. We didn't really. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of bullshit in this thing, huh? Whole admin area. Or if we can get in there, in the admin area. Where do you go? Once you download, where do you go? If we upload you, we uploaded shell pulp upload equals 1, whatever the hell that is. Extension, PHP, file directory is that. 2022-07-13. Can I just go there? To 2022-07-13? Not really what I want to do. 2022 07-13, I would think, something like that. Definitely a slash, so it's definitely going. Never mind. Stop that. We got 2022 07-13. Where are you? Who do you work for? It would have been way better if this guy said where to grab the file from after that. You know, like, hey, this is where your PHP file went. Would have been way easier. Or if we can actually do this like right here. Now we know to do the tac U in there. It uploaded somewhere. I just don't know where the hell it uploaded to. And I can't just upload a file and see where it goes. That's the problem also. Let's go to channels. Maybe there's something in channels. Like, give us an idea what's going on. Okay, there's no channels in here. This is annoying as shit. 's finding everything and its mother inside this thing also, which is a little bit more annoying too. I almost wish it didn't go that far into it. Do you want a response? Page 404 found. You try to see if the FTP is open. There's no FTP open on this thing. It's only port 22 and 80. That's it. And we're trying to see where the hell this file went. Yeah, the only two things is 22 and 80. That is it. Let's try to look up like where. Application installed and select all. All the files. Where are you though? Okay. Files, images. Files, maybe? If files, I'm thinking. Images, I'm thinking. I don't think it's images, though, because we've... Files, okay. And we did a photo, right? So files, photos. (2022) 07. Next one should be 13. 13. That is our shell, I guess. Yes, it is. Let's go! Who am I? We're www data. Okay, cool. We'll try it with Metasploit after this too. LSTech LA. So now we've got to figure out C/home. What can we look at? What can we mess with? All that good stuff. Let's get a full shell on here before we try to... Yeah, you can stop that. Let's go ahead and cat full shell. Okay. And let's go ahead and Control Z, STTY attack A. And we'll hop back into there. Oh, I forgot to do a witch python. Damn it. I messed it up. Close that. NC LVMP 4444. And let's go ahead and get this guy back in. Yeah, I know. I messed up. Oh, God. It was on port 4444, wasn't it? No, we did have 1111, didn't we? You know what? Let's want to do something real quick out here too in case he connects again. Alright, which Python? Which Python 3? Cool. Cat, scripts, full shell. Let's go and grab the Python 3 up here. Control Z, STTY tac A. Okay, STTY raw. Enter, enter. Export term. Export X term equals. Why am I so confused like right now? Export term equals X term. STTY rows is going to be 29. Columns is 114. Okay, I want to try something on here like real quick. I don't know why I just did that. Do a directory. We're going to do period slash print.exe tac I tac C command prompt. Oh, that's going to open up another command prompt, won't it? That's not going to work now, is it? Okay. Never mind. Alright, so now that we did that, let's go ahead and do a sudo tac L. See if we can do anything like that. Nope, not looking like it. Okay, let's go ahead and do a... I don't know what I'm counting in there for scripts, but cd slash home. Let's go and see what is in this guy's home directory. cd into server management, which we found earlier in that. Okay, can't do that either. Alright. cd into var www.html. Do we have a config.txt in here? Not looking like it. Okay. So now we just need to figure out what the hell to do from here. CD backups. As usual. That's actually a lot of stuff in backups. Oh, server management. There we go. Let's go. Alright, so let's go ahead and gunzip that guy. Gunzip SSH. Python 3 tac m http.server port 888. We do that? Yes, we can. Desktop try hack me. This one's VulnNet, just the regular one, right? And we'll go ahead and do a wget http. I don't know the IP address of this box. There we go. Slash SSH backup. Can we do that? No, we cannot. Okay, so we're not allowed to do that. Can we copy it into somewhere and then download it from there? Can we copy it in the var www.html or something like that? Or maybe just copy it into var, copy SSH backup into /temp. Can we do something like that and then mess with it? Okay, cd into /temp. And let's go ahead and do an gunzip now for it. Can we do that? Okay, we can. Now tar, what is it? Tar tac. I always forget the tar stuff. Tac xf or something like that, right? I think that's all it is. Just tar tac xf, isn't it? Tar tac xf for SSH. Yeah. And now we have. Oh no. Okay, I did worse. I always forget the damn tar stuff. How the fuck do you untar something? I always forget how to do that. Okay, I can figure this out. VF. Let's stage. That okay. Oh, I actually did it the first time. I got it the first time. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a change mode 600 for ID RSA. Cat it. I don't know why the hell I just did that because I'm just going to bring it right back down to myself and SSH in like that. It's encrypted, so we're going to have to do an SSH to John. Nano ID RSA. SSH to John. And then we'll do a John IDRSA. Yep, exactly that actually. Thank you. You know, John the Ripper. See, he knows. All right, so we got that. That's our going to be our guy for that. Change mode 600 for IDRSA. And that's our passphrase now. So let's go ahead and do a echo this guy into user pass.text. All right. And that's actually going to be for the user of the server backup user, right? Server management user. So I'll say passphrase. There we go. We'll echo that into user pass.text. Let's go and do an SSH tag IDRSA, and we're going to do server management. All right. I don't remember his IP address again. It's good. Server management at that IP address. And we'll go ahead and grab his passphrase here. Yes. Throw his passphrase in. Let's try sudo tag-l even though we don't have a password for him yet. Let's still try it. Okay, we need a password. We don't have a password. We just have a passphrase. Let's go and see what's in his home directory. He's got lost up in here. Let's go and cat that user.txt. Okay. Cool. So we got that now. We try see what he has running as. So we go and exit out of here now. Exit out of here. Okay. Yep, whatever. Close out there. We'll do a cat scripts SUID lookup. Go ahead and look up what he can mess with. PPPD. Is that normal? I don't know if PPPD is normal or not. Pretty sure it is. All right, let's go ahead and do a cat Etsy cron tab. See what there's any cron jobs running. Okay, there is every 2 minutes actually. Backup serve.sh. Cat that guy. Also lstack AI guy. Looks like we can read it. Var up. Bin bash. Can we just delete that file, I wonder, and just put a new one in there? I mean, might be able to. You know? I'm wondering how he's actually running that cron job. Far opt sh. What we got here? Let's see what this guy's actually doing. Home server management documents, backup files equals star. So he's going to back up everything in there, huh? So let's go ahead and CD into there. CD into home server management documents. He's going to back up everything in here. So let's go ahead and do a checkpoint, right? We got to do this part like right here. I think I actually have it though. Under Linux, let's see here. Tar wildcard. Do I have a checkpoint right there? No. Nope. Nope. Of course I don't make it easy on myself, huh? So we can do a checkpoint for that, right? And then execute shell. So we can make a shell on that guy. And we can make like a reverse shell if we want to. So we can do a cat scripts netcat reverse shell. Right? So we can grab something like this. Go 10.13 26.184, right? Then we should be able to do a nano shell, or we can just echo it really. Echo that guy right there into shell.sh. Okay, let's go ahead and cat that shell.sh, make sure everything got in there. And it looks like it did. Okay, let's go ahead and do a change mode. Make that executable. All right. And then we'll do a tac-tac checkpoint equals 1, right? Or is it checkpoint equals 1? Or do we have to echo? Yeah, because we're running echo command here, and that echoes again. So yeah, so we would have to echo checkpoint equal 1, and then echo. I don't think we need to append it. I think we just do that like right there. And then we would do checkpoint action equals execute shell. So we would do a checkpoint action equals execute, right? Equals execute, then it's equals shell. Equals shell. And we named ours shell.sh. That one's going to have to be like that, I think. Okay, that all looks good like right there. Now we should just have to 4242. It's calling for echo. So that's now a checkpoint. So, and we should just have to wait 2 minutes? I would think. Alright, let's try it. Let's see what happens. See who else is on streaming. Anybody? It's always me. Let's go! CD in the root. And we'll cat that root.txt. All because you were calling for echo. Alright, cool. We are done with him. All finished with him. Alright, that was a good one. There, that was fun. VulnNet was fun. Took about an hour. That was a pretty good one. I like that one.